My name's Brent Zajac, and I am a local real estate broker in South Carolina and North Carolina along the coast. Welcome to my listing at 1204 Pine Valley Road in North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This ranch-style home was built in 2002. It has approximately 2,400 heated square feet and sits on a wooded quarter-acre lot in the gated community of Tidewater Plantation. Much of the quarter acre is still wooded, which is perfect for low maintenance. If you do like to spend time outside, there's a large paver patio and side yard for all of your outdoor activities. This home has a 50-year architectural shingle roof, an irrigation system, and a hookup for a generator. In addition to the 24-hour security gate, Tidewater Plantation also offers its community members 2 community pools, an indoor recreation facility and gym, and private access to a beach cabana located just a few miles away in Cherry Grove. Let's step inside this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,400 square foot home. From the moment you step inside, you will see the owner has meticulously cared for this home, with tile in all of the main rooms and carpeting installed in all of the bedrooms in 2023. Much of the home, including the kitchen, has recently been painted within the last year. New LED lights installed in the ceilings. New backsplash and quartz countertops with a waterfall edge. This home offers both a casual and formal dining space. The appliances in the kitchen are stainless steel, and the stove is propane gas. This home has a wonderful Carolina room with a vaulted ceiling, its own stone fireplace, and an area for not only lounging, but also as a potential office space. All of the bedrooms were recently repainted, the carpeting installed in 2023, and the bedrooms, like all windows in the home, have plantation shutters. The primary bathroom has 2 walk-in closets, a jacuzzi-style tub, and a walk-in shower. The ceiling fans in all of the bedrooms have also been recently replaced. Thank you for watching my listing at 1204 Pine Valley Road. Look for more content on YouTube and Dream Home Sales.